Hello internet friends and family. Today is Monday, December 2nd, 2013. It's back to work today after the long holiday weekend, which flew by, just flew by, can I say? So anyway, I'm walking today in other parts of campus that I haven't explored yet. It is so gorgeous here, between 65 and 70 degrees today, so it is just perfect. But I want to show you this cool thing I found over here. I'm going to insert the photo. It is a bike repair station over here by the College of Medicine. It's got tools, it's got a rack. I think there's even air on it to pump up tires, and as you can see behind me, there are a lot of bicycle riders here on campus, actually. So I'm going to insert the photo. I think, yes, there is air on here. I decided to do a video instead of a photo. So here is the bike repair station. There is air down here with a pressure gauge. There are tools hanging on cables, and this is like you insert your bike, you can hang it from here to repair it. So I think that's really cool. It's courtesy of Parking and Transportation Services. That's it for today. Have a good one. I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.